Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Yusnia Fajrin and you can call me Miss Putri. So in this video we will learn about asking and giving direction. Do you know about asking and giving direction? Let me tell you for a little bit. So for example, jika kamu pergi ke suatu tempat yang belum pernah kamu kunjungi sebelumnya, atau kamu ingin menanyakan arah untuk pergi ke tempat itu, apa yang kamu lakukan? Ya, betul. Bertanya ke seseorang atau menggunakan Google Maps dan aplikasi lainnya. So, before we start our lesson today, I will explain tujuan pembelajaran. Apa sih tujuan kita mempelajari materi ini? Nah, ada dua. Yang pertama, peserta didik mampu mengidentifikasi dan merespon teks audio dengan berbagai bangunan fasilitas di lingkungan sekolah, serta memahami peta sekolah. Yang kedua, peserta didik mampu meminta dan memberi petunjuk dengan menggunakan ungkapan yang sesuai. Nah, sekarang kita masuk ke materinya. So, what is asking direction? Do you know guys what is asking direction? No! Okay, let me tell you. So, asking direction is an expression that people or someone say to ask the direction of a place or room. Jadi, asking direction itu adalah ekspresi atau ungkapan seseorang untuk menanyakan sebuah tempat atau ruangan tertentu. Misalnya nih, yang udah Miss tadi bilang di awal video, jadi misalnya kalian itu berada di sekolah baru dan kalian ini murid baru. Nah, kalian ingin bertanya kepada salah satu guru yang ada di sana. Di mana sih kelas 7A itu? Nah, itu yang dinamakan asking direction. Di mana sih tempatnya kelas 7A itu, Bu? Nah, itu yang dinamakan asking direction. And then next is how to we ask the direction in English. So, this is how to ask the direction. There is a three parts: greeting, asking direction, and then say thanks. So, the first is greeting. Greeting is menyapa. Jadi, sebelum kalian bertanya ke seseorang, kalian harus menyapa terlebih dahulu orang itu. For example, sorry miss, yeah, what can I help you? Or, excuse me miss. Nah, itu tadi adalah example of greeting. Next is asking direction. Asking direction is menanyakan arah. Jadi, ada beberapa cara untuk kalian menanyakan arah kepada seseorang. Yang pertama bisa memakai can you tell me how can I get to, could you help me to, would you like to. Sekarang Miss mau memperagakan bagaimana sih caranya kita menanyakan arah menggunakan asking direction. For example, yang pertama bisa memakai can you tell me how to get 7A classroom, how can I get to the canteen, could you help me to the library, would you like to. Nah, itu adalah expression of asking direction. Nah, yang terakhir adalah say thanks atau berterima kasih. Jadi, setelah kalian menanyakan suatu tempat, kalian harus mengucapkan rasa terima kasih. Bagaimana sih mengucapkan rasa terima kasih? Bisa dengan thank you very much, thanks a lot, thank you for your help. For example, excuse me miss, could you help me to get 7A classroom? Oh, sure. You go straight until you find canteen. 7A classroom is in front of the canteen. Thank you very much for your help, miss. Yes, you're welcome. So, we move to the giving direction. What is giving direction? Ya, memberi petunjuk atau memberikan arah. So, giving direction is an expression that people say to tell the direction of place or a room. Nah, giving direction itu adalah ekspresi untuk menunjukkan atau memberikan arah suatu tempat kepada seseorang. Itu yang dinamakan giving direction. Misalnya, contoh yang sebelumnya, Ustadi itu sedang giving direction to the new student. And this is how to give and tell the direction. I mentioned 13 of the expression of giving direction. There is an expression to give the direction. There is go down, go straight, turn left, turn right, in front of, beside, behind, so on. So for the example conversation before, the Miss and the new students, what is the Miss says to the new student to give direction? What is it? Yeah! Alright, now this is the conjunction to give the direction. There is 7 conjunction that can you apply to the conversation. The question is, what is the Miss said or mention the conjunction to the new student to give the direction? What is it? Yeah, that's right. And the last is always say thank you after you receiving help. So this is an example conversation of asking and giving direction. There is a barcode that you can scan and listen after this video. So finally, in the last, I give you an exercise after we learn about the material about asking and giving direction. So the exercise is you must find the hospital. Where is the hospital? And please make one conversation about asking and giving direction that I tell before in the comments. Okay guys, that's all for today's lesson about asking and giving direction. Thank you very much for your nice attention. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.